There is a $7 billion industry built on a single claim that if you take this powder every morning without fail, your skin will tighten, your joints will heal, you will in some meaningful way turn back the clock. Millions of women believe it. Millions of women buy it. But here's what the research actually says. Most of that collagen never reaches your skin. This is not a hot take. This is not contrarian wellness content. This is biochemistry. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what happens to that collagen scoop the moment it enters your body, and what the longest-lived cultures on Earth have been doing instead. The collagen supplement market is not new. It has been growing, quietly, aggressively, for over a decade. Analysts project it will cross $20 billion by 2030. The promise is simple, seductive, and everywhere. Drink this. Look younger. It is a promise made by celebrities, stocked on the shelves of every health food store, and endorsed by dermatologists who have, in many cases, been paid to endorse it. We are not here to shame anyone for buying into it. The marketing is immaculate, but at Ageless Bar, we hold everything to the same standard. So let's apply that standard to collagen, starting with the most fundamental question the industry does not want you to ask: why your body cannot use the powder. Here is the problem with collagen as a supplement. Collagen is a protein, a very large protein, one of the largest in the human body. When you swallow a collagen peptide powder, it enters your digestive system, and your digestive system does exactly what it always does with proteins. It breaks it down. Your stomach acid and digestive enzymes reduce those large collagen chains into individual amino acids: glycine, proline, hydroxyproline. At this point, what you have absorbed is no longer collagen, it is amino acids. Your body then uses those amino acids as it sees fit to repair muscle, support immune function, produce enzymes. It does not automatically route them back to your skin. The idea that you can drink collagen and have it reassemble in your dermis is, biologically, a fantasy. Now, to be precise, as we always are here, some studies do show that collagen peptides, particularly hydrolyzed forms, may have a modest effect on skin elasticity. The key word is modest. A 2019 meta-analysis in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology reviewed 11 clinical trials. The results showed measurable but small improvements in skin hydration and elasticity, with significant variation between studies. The conclusion was not collagen supplements work. The conclusion was, more rigorous research is needed. That is not the endorsement on the packaging. What the science actually recommends, so if the supplement is, at best, inefficient, what actually works? The answer is not a product. It is a process. Your body already knows how to make collagen. In your 20s and early 30s, it made it effortlessly. What changed is not your body's ability to produce collagen. What changed is the environment inside your body that supports collagen synthesis. There are 4 critical cofactors for collagen synthesis, all peer-reviewed, all free of an $80 price tag. Cofactor 1, vitamin C. Without adequate vitamin C, your body cannot hydroxylate proline and lysine, the amino acid modifications required to stabilize the collagen triple helix. A 2017 review in the journal Nutrients confirmed that vitamin C is essential for collagen biosynthesis. Not helpful, essential. The cultures with the longest health spans, the Okinawans, the Sardinians, the Nicoyans, consume vitamin C not as a supplement, but as a daily ritual embedded in their diet. Cofactor 2, copper. Copper activates lysyl oxidase, the enzyme responsible for cross-linking collagen fibers. Without cross-linking, collagen has no structural integrity. Copper deficiency is more common than most women realize, particularly in women over 40 who take zinc supplements. Zinc and copper compete for absorption. If you are supplementing with zinc, you may be inadvertently depleting your copper. Cofactor 3, silica. Silica is the mineral most closely associated with structural collagen, the kind that gives skin its firmness. It is also the mineral most depleted by processed food and filtered water. Horsetail extract, used for centuries in traditional Asian medicine, is now confirmed by modern research to be one of the richest bioavailable sources of silica available. This is not ancestral wisdom as anecdote. This is ancestral wisdom confirmed by biochemistry. Cofactor 4, amino acid precursors from whole food. If your goal is to give your body the raw materials for collagen synthesis, the most efficient delivery mechanism is not a powder. It is bone broth, Traditional bone broth, simmered for a minimum of 12 hours, releases glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline in a food matrix your body absorbs far more effectively than any isolated supplement. This is how women in Okinawa, in rural Japan, in the longevity villages of Sardinia, have maintained structural skin integrity for generations. The Ageless Bar Protocol. So let us now build the actual protocol. Morning, 2 kiwis or 1 cup of bell peppers. Your vitamin C requirement for collagen synthesis, delivered in a food matrix, not a capsule. With meals, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds 3 times per week. Your copper requirement without the zinc competition risk. Daily, 1 silica-rich food, cucumber in your water, bamboo shoots in your stir-fry, or horsetail extract in capsule form if your diet lacks plant variety. Weekly, 2 to 3 servings of bone broth, homemade or sourced from a producer who simmers for a minimum of 12 hours. Look for grass-fed, long simmer, no additives. The total daily cost of this protocol, under $3. The collagen powder it replaces, $30 to $80 per month. We are not anti-supplement at Ageless Bar. We are anti-inefficiency. For those who still want to supplement, and there is a case for supplementing intelligently, here is what actually earns our consideration. There are 3 markers we look for when evaluating any collagen product. 1. Hydrolyzed type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 1 is for skin integrity. Type 3 is for elasticity. Any product that does not specify collagen type or that uses an unhydrolyzed form does not earn a second look. 2. Co-formulated vitamin C. If a collagen product does not include vitamin C, the manufacturer either does not understand the science or they are hoping you don't. We look for a minimum of 50 milligrams per serving in an absorbable form, ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbate. 3. No fillers, no artificial sweeteners, no proprietary blends. The supplement industry uses proprietary blends to obscure underdosing. If you cannot see exactly how much of each ingredient is present, you cannot verify the dose. And if you cannot verify the dose, you cannot evaluate the evidence. Products that meet the Ageless Bar standard are rare. We will link the ones that qualify in the description. For those who want to go deeper, this is where the science becomes genuinely elegant. Collagen is not a single molecule. It is a triple helix, 3 polypeptide chains wound around each other in a structure so precise that even small nutritional deficiencies can destabilize it. The helix is stabilized by hydrogen bonds between glycine residues. Glycine must occupy every 3rd position in the chain. If glycine availability is insufficient, due to poor diet or impaired protein metabolism, the helix cannot form correctly. This is why crash dieting, particularly very low-calorie protocols that restrict protein, accelerates visible skin aging, not because of calorie restriction itself, but because glycine availability drops below the threshold required for helix stability. What this means practically? Adequate complete protein, from eggs, fish, legumes with complementary amino acids, is more foundational to your skin's structural integrity than any supplement on the market. The women who age most gracefully do not have a better supplement stack. They have a better metabolic foundation. We began this video with a question the collagen industry prefers you do not ask. We end it with a different question. Not which collagen supplement should I buy, but what does my body actually need to build its own? The answer is not a powder. It is not a celebrity formula. It is not a 30-day program sold in a pastel box. It is a few ingredients, deeply understood, consistently applied. Vitamin C, copper, silica, amino acid precursors from real food. That is the Ageless Bar standard for collagen support. And it is, unambiguously, what the science says. If this changed how you think about your supplement routine, we would love to know in the comments. Specifically, which of the 4 cofactors you are not already getting. Our next video in the Ageless Edit series looks at a different category of anti-aging intervention, one that is free, takes 4 minutes a day, and has more peer-reviewed evidence behind it than almost anything else we cover. Subscribe so you do not miss it. This is Ageless Bar,